Hello everybody and welcome back to question number 14 on the 2006 grade 7 Gauss paper. If you haven't, try this question by downloading a copy of the contest. Try it out, then come back and watch this video and the video for 15, 16, whichever questions you want to confirm your answers or you had trouble approaching. In the diagram, O is the center of the circle, AOB is a diameter, and the circle graph illustrates the favorite seasons of 600 students. Okay. So that means the whole circle represents 600 students, and it looks like summer is half the circle, so that would be, what, 300 students, that sort of thing. How many of the students surveyed chose fall as their favorite season? So we got summer here, winter, spring, fall. Personally, I'm a winter or fall person myself. I find it's a little too warm in summer, but that's neither here nor there. How many students surveyed chose fall? All right, well, let's copy our picture. There's some angles here, and that's really what's going to do it for us. So we have a circle, and summer's up here. And then they tell us winter gives us a 90-degree angle, and AOB here is a diameter. So this is 180 degrees. Here we've got 90 degrees. And down here is winter. And then we had, I don't think the fall angle was given, but I think the spring angle, yeah, 60 degrees here. And we want fall. Well, how are we going to determine how many kids like fall? Well, if 600 is the full circle, then the number of students representing fall will have to be that fraction of the 600 that is represented by this slice of the whole circle. So what fraction of the whole circle is this slice? And we can actually tell that from angles. So you could do a number of things. You could say, well, 180, 90, and so we got another 90 here, and the 60 is taken out of it, so we got 30 degrees. Or you could say the full circle is 360 degrees, and then so we've got 360 degrees in total. 60 degrees plus 180 degrees plus 90 degrees, 330 degrees is already spoken for, so that leaves 30 degrees. However you want to do it. But the nice thing about a circle graph is the degree angle of your slice is your fraction of the total. So 30 degrees out of the full 360 degrees is the same as the number of students who like fall out of the total number of students. But we want the number who like fall, and we know the total number of students is 600. So now we have an equation, 30 over 360, number who like fall over 600. We can isolate for the number who like fall. For example, we could say, the number who like fall, we just multiply this 600 over. 30 degrees, 360 degrees. You can reach for your calculator, or you could say, well, the zeros are going to cancel out, the degree symbols are going to cancel out. 3 goes into 36 12 times, so this is going to be 600 times 1/12. And then you can say, well, 12 goes into 65 times, so it should be 50. Okay? So 50 students should like fall. All right, and let's see, is that one of the possible answers? Because that would build our confidence in it. And yeah, B, 50. You could, if you had extra time and you wanted to verify this in another way, test out the angles. We know 60 degrees is going to be for spring, so that should work out to 1/6 of the total 600 like spring. So 100 students like spring. And, that makes sense. It's double the number of fall because we got double the angle. 60 is double 30. And you can figure out the number who like winter. That's going to be a quarter of the total. So that's going to be 150. And you can figure out the number who like summer. That's half of the total. So that'd be 300. 300 plus 150 plus the 50 for fall that we calculated plus the 100 for spring. It does give us the total 600 students. So we can be a little extra confident if we work out other things and show that, yeah, we really have represented all 600 students, and our understanding of angles and circle graphs does make sense. Okay, but that's extra stuff. We got our 50, we got our answer B, we bubbled in. We move on to question number 15, and I will see you guys for that video next time.